Mm. 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 Good evening, BART passengers. This train is bound for Griffinville Station. This train is bound for Griffinville Station. The next station will be at Aidensville. Doors are open on your left direction of travel. The next station is Aidensville. La siguiente estación is Aidensville. Exit here for the village of Aidensville. Cornelius Vanderbilt will be your next station. Doors are open on your right direction of travel. Please remember that the seating near the train doors are reserved for the elderly and individuals with disabilities. Thank you for riding BART. The next station is Cornelius Vanderbilt. La siguiente estación is Cornelius Vanderbilt. Exit here for the Vanderbilt Center for Higher Learning and Oak Ridge Farm. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Brain BART, Brain Musical Yaje Viaje. Frequente uma sessão na sexta conta at itsbart.com. This is Cornelius Vanderbilt Station. flank. The next station is News. Doors will open on the left direction of travel. This is your connecting point to the blue and green rail lines. The next station is News. La siguiente estación is News. This is your connecting point between the blue and green rail lines. Útil transporte de la roja y dorada. Exit here for Channel 6 News. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Brain BART, Brain Musical Yake Vyake. A Quintima Sison Ancestral Kunta at itsbart.com. This is News Station. This train is bound for Griffinville Station. The next station is downtown. Doors are open on the left direction of travel. Please remember that it's against the law to eat on buses and trains, drink on buses and trains, smoke or use sound devices without earphones while riding BART. Por favor, cuevesquernar, comer buses e trens, beber em buses e trens, fumar ou produzir mientras viaje BART. The next station is downtown. La siguiente estación is downtown. Exit here for the World Trade Center, Defects, and the Villager Convenience Centers. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at eatsbart.com. This is Downtown Station. The next station is King's Cross. This is your transfer point for all rail lines. The next station is King's Cross. La siguiente estación is King's Cross. This is your connecting point to all rail lines. Útil transporte de train. Exit here for the Melchizedek Courthouse, Melchizedek State Penitentiary, and connecting boat service to the villages of Jacob's Well and College Park. This is your connecting point to express bus services downtown. For elevator access, please exit to the right side of the train. Por favor, ascensor, por favor, salga por el lado derecho del tren. This is King's Cross Station. Next station is St. Jubilee's Hospital. Doors are open on the right direction of travel. The next station is St. Jubilee's Hospital. La siguiente estación is St. Jubilee's Hospital. Sit here for the best health care in Melchizedek. This train is bound for Griffinville Station. The next station is Murrayville. Exit here for Woodward Penitentiary, Twin Tower Villagers Buildings, Agriculture Center, and Iron Golem Penitentiary. Doors are open on the left direction of travel. The next station is Murrayville. La siguiente estación is Murrayville. Sit here for Woodward Penitentiary and the Twin Tower Villagers Buildings. In Bar, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at eatsbar.com. Grain Bar, Grey Musical Yaje Viaje. Acuítame asesor ancestro que de oculta at eatsbar.com. Please be careful because there is a witch at this station. Please be careful for the witch. Bankhead Junction coming up. Fletchers are so rude. This is a Griffinville train. The next station is Sinclair State. Doors are open on the left direction of travel. The next station is Sinclair State. La siguiente estación is Sinclair State. Sit here for the Melchizedek State Capitol Building and the offices of Governor Travell M. Sinclair. Embark. We want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at eatsmart.com. Grain bar, grain musical yake viaje. Akwenti masisona se stroko de kunta at eatsmart.com. This is Sinclair State Station. This train is bound for Griffinville Station. The next station is Griffinville. This is the end of the line. This is your connecting point to Griffinville Transit. The next station is Griffinville. This is the end of the line. La siguiente estación es Griffinville. Aquí cogen línea. Exit here for your connecting transfer to Griffinville Transit. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Grain bar, grain musical yake viaje. A quinta pasisona se stroke de kunta at itsbart.com. This is Griffinville Station.